The woman washed her hands with soap and water. The man washed the blue car with soapy water and a sponge.
The man washed his clothes in a blue basin.
The man washed the dishes in the kitchen. The man washed his face. The cleaner washed the floor. The hairdresser washed the woman's hair. The woman washed the toilet with a toilet brush. The woman washed the fruit and vegetables in the sink. The woman washed the window with cleaning spray and a yellow cloth. The man washed his hands and then sprayed hand sanitizer on them. The washing machine washed the clothes. The man washed the red car with a power spray at the car wash. The man washed his dog in the shower.
The woman washed her feet in the white footbath.
The young waiter washed the white plates. The cleaner washed the floor with a mop. The man washed the toothbrush under the running water. The man washed the front of his house with a power washer.